Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of 2 to the power of 2x multiplied with e to the power of x dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. This one we can put about 2 to the power of 2 everything to the power of x. This one we change for number 4. We have x and x, so we can put about 4e to the power of x. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of 4e to the power of x, you will get about 4e to the power of x over ln of 4e plus c. That's the end. Thank you for watching.